Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this. So I am in Austria. Lovely scenery, you probably can't see it because my camera's absolutely rubbish on my phone. So, I've spent a week in Austria, I've not done any filming. I've done a couple of little bits, but nothing major. And I am at the man, the legends, Dave Jaguars. Look at the registration plate, and that's a genuine reg as well. So, we'll go through here. It's all going to be one take, by the way. But if I press that button, that's the Track Mini. Also the pool table and the mini fridge you saw last time, and that is the Jaguar P-Type. So we've been working on, I'll show you in a second, what we've been working on this. These are the wings for it, so just taking the flange off and everything like that. And then this is what we've mainly been doing. The man, the legend, Amir. So we've assembled all this. I welded this one. Quite proud of that. These are already cut down to size. We put a window in there as well. And this is the cab, which is a 1935 Citroen Rosalie, I think they're called. Rosalie. This is the chassis for it. So the cab needs to go back on the chassis. We took it off to do all the work on it. There was a what's it called? A vent in here that was all rotten. Took that out. Again, I welded that. Amir made it look pretty, but put a piece in there. We was pulling this out using a dent puller, but it was just too much, so cut it out and welded that in. And then here, around the windscreen, was all completely shot. You'll see it in Dave Jaguar's videos, but yeah, they were completely shot, and Amir's done an absolutely amazing job there. And then you see the inside there of all the framework and everything like that. And Amir's just making the roof section now, because it just didn't have one at all. But yeah, that is it. That's the cab, and eventually it will look something like this. But this is very agricultural, so we've been working on bead rolling for these and everything. I'll show you. So this is the tailgate, and then these are the sides. That took a lot of work to get them bead rolled, but yeah, and that's it. Absolutely superb. Oh, in fact, there's one place that Dave never shows, and I will show. Let me shut the garage door. Dave never shows up here. Don't know why, because it's awesome. Is it that one? Yes, it's that one. This is a secret store. It's got a little office there, that way. But then, he's just got racks and racks of car parts. All the chrome work for the XK, I presume. All wrapped up and nice. A head. It's definitely not off a Mini, so I would presume it's off a Jag of some sort. Oh, it looks brilliant up here. There's the Toylander. In fact, I'll go back downstairs and show you that in a second. That's what originally was on the chassis, but I'll show you that in a second. And then he's got loads of mini parts. Not many left because I've rubbed quite a few. So this is the upstairs. Like I say, it never shows this bit, and I don't know why. Again, one take, so if you don't like it, don't watch it. Back down the stairs. There's the mini moke. The mini moke. absolutely cool as anything. Obviously, yeah. So this is the garage. Let's see if I just. Haha, it's under another cover. Look, so I can't show you. There's a neat knife under there. So I'll do as a Dave Jag. Stay safe, keep the faith, and enjoy your hobby. Thanks for watching, guys.